Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best money methods you guys can do right now to make hundreds of thousands of dollars or even millions of dollars in GTA 5 Online. And the best thing about these money methods right here, they require almost nothing. Now before we do start, can you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you guys are new to the channel, since I'm very close to hitting 40,000 subscribers. And I do post daily GTA 5 Online videos, so consider subscribing. It's free and you guys can always change your mind. And if you do go on to enjoy today's video or just find it helpful, make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like, since it's going to show me you do want more of the types of these videos right here, and I'll go ahead and post another best money methods for GTA 5 Online. And yeah, let's get into the video. If you're looking for GTA 5 modded accounts or even account boosting for GTA 5 Online, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Messy Modding down below for cheap and reliable GTA cash services. They sell modded accounts, cash services, ranking boosts, and even modded cars and modded outfits. So if you are looking for any types of these services right here, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Messy Modding down below. And let's get into the video. Now the number one best money method I recommend for you to go ahead and do is going to be the KO Preco heist. Now just hear me out. If you don't know, you're able to go ahead and do the KO Preco heist solo, which means you're going to be able to get over $1 million every single time you do it, since you're able to get all 100% of the split, alright? Well, the cut. Yeah, so and also this here takes me about like 40 to 50 minutes to complete everything, like the setups, the gathering intel, and even the heist. It takes me about like 40 to 50 minutes. So basically, if you grind out KO Preco for like a whole entire day, you could probably make over $5 million, or even like probably get to $10 million if you just grind out KO Preco. Since it takes you about like 40 to 50 minutes, well, that's for me. I don't know about you, it could probably take you more, probably could take you less, but for me, it takes me about 40 to 50 minutes to complete the heist, setups, and everything. Alright, now for this heist, I was supposed to steal a pink diamond. Now guys, the pink diamond gets me about like 1.3 million, so this is how much it gave me right there, 1.3 million in total. Now I could have got way more money than 1.3 million if I would have went for secondaries. I could probably make like 1.7 1.5 million dollars, but since I was getting shot up and I had like a whole bunch of people chasing me, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna just dip on the secondary loot and just go straight to the submarine. So I ended up taking the pink diamond, which netted me 1.3 million. Now guys, keep in mind, this here took me about like in total to finish everything, setups, gathering intel, and the like heist. In total, it took me like 40 minutes in total to complete everything. All right, now the heist, it took me half of it, which was 20 minutes. Like that was annoying, but I was stuck at the fingerprint scanner. But yeah, so yeah, you guys can make some crazy catch. If you really grind out KO Preco in just one day, you could probably make over $10 million. Right, even if you're a beginner and own the submarine somehow, you guys can make some crazy catches grinded it out. All right, so yeah, this is the first money method, and I recommend for you not do not sleep on KO Preco. Right, just do not sleep on it. It's some good cash right there. But yeah, so yeah, now I'll be showing you guys the next best money method I recommend for you guys to go ahead and do for this week right here. So yeah, on to the next one. Now the next best money method I recommend for everybody to go ahead and do, especially for beginners, is going to be the time chart for this week. Now the time chart for this week is located right here, so you just want to go over to it. It's at the very top of the map, and the finish line is going to be located on the other side. Alright, so this is where it's going to be located at. Okay, so this is it right here. Now the time chart for this week, it literally requires nothing. Like all you need is a motorcycle. Now if you don't own a motorcycle, you can just find one off the streets. Like there's always NPCs driving one, so just go ahead and like rob one off of them, like just hijack it and just go ahead and do the time trial. Right, now the time trial is super easy. All you want to do is just go ahead and just follow the waypoint over until you get to the thing. All right, so I'll just go ahead and speed up the video now for you guys until I get to the finish line, since all I'm doing is just following the waypoint. So yeah. So here you go, I'm about to finish up the time trial, and there you guys go, 100,000 right there in about 2 minutes and 23 seconds. It's super easy to cash for you guys. If you are a beginner, this is probably going to be the easiest 100,000 you'll ever make. All right, So yeah, and also if you are not able to finish up the race because you're like a couple seconds late or something like that, if you are using a motorcycle, all you want is just keep on hitting a wheelie as much as you can. Alright, if you're going in straight, keep on hitting wheelies. If you're going on a turn and you're able to hit a wheelie, go ahead and go for it. But if you are using the Shitora or the Hakucho drag, just make sure you lean forward since you're not able to like hit wheelies with these type of motorcycles right here. So yeah, on to the next money method. Now the next best money method I recommend for you to go ahead and do is going to be the time trial for the RC Bandito. Now it's similar to the regular time trial, but the only thing is we're going to be needing an RC Bandito for this one, and it's located right here at the construction site. Alright, so just go ahead and walk up to it and press right D-pad to start it up. And also, as I said, you're going to be needing an RC Bandito to go ahead and start this one up. So if you don't have it, sadly you cannot do it, but if you do, you get an easy 100,000 right there in like under like 2 minutes. Alright, so all you want is to go ahead and just follow the checkpoints. It's super easy to do. Just go and follow it and you get 100,000 just like that. So I'll go and speed it up for you guys. And if you do want to go and pause and see like the checkpoints, just go ahead and like slow down the video in YouTube settings. And yeah, so I'll go and speed up the video now until I finish the time trial. So you're going about to finish it, and there you guys go, 100,000 right there just like that, and all it took was 1:43 seconds. So I recommend for everybody to go ahead and do this if you own the RC Bandito, since it's really super easy cash. All it takes is an RC Bandito and 1:43 seconds of your time. That's pretty much it, and it really took me like 3 tries to do it. First try was to see like how the course is. Second try I kind of failed at the beginning, and it took me the third try to finish it. So yeah, super easy to do. I recommend to go ahead and do it if you do have the RC Bandito. And yeah, on to the next best money method for this week. Now the last and final best money method I recommend for everybody to go ahead and do for this week is going to be the double money and double RP advisor mode called In and Out. Now if you don't know where it is, just come over to the advisor mode and just keep on scrolling until you see the double money and double RP, or just look for In and Out. Alright, now this job right here pays really good. Now first place always gets like around like 88,000 to like 100,000. Now for this job right here, it goes only up to like 4 rounds, and if you do find the one that goes up to 7, you're able to get up to 100,000 if you do win the match. Alright, now it's super easy. It's kind of like capture the flag. All you want to do is go ahead and pick up the packages and take them back to our spawn, and that's pretty much it. And if you do get a couple of your friends, you guys can have like lots of fun just doing this advisor mode, and you're also going to be able to like level up and get lots of cash. So this is how much it paid me right here. So here we go, this is how much it paid me right here. It paid me around like 88,000. Now if you don't need the cash and just want to level up, I recommend for you to also go ahead and do In and Out. As you can see, it gave me 8,000 XRP, and it literally made me level up to a whole entire new level. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys are new to the channel and you did enjoy today's video, just found it helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you can just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I do post daily GTA 5 content as well, and also I'm trying to hit 50k. So if you can do me that favor and just hit that subscribe button down below with notifications on, I would greatly appreciate it. And also can you go ahead and while you're at it, just hit that like button down below. And yeah, TiimeDesign signing out. Peace.